Hello my dear friends, welcome back. Today I am going to share one experience with you. My friends, I have been doing meditation since last 4 to 5 years. But when I used to do meditation for 5 to 6 days, then there was a break in the chain. Then there was break of 4 to 5 days. Then again I have to start my meditation day 1, day 2, day 3. The day 10 came and suddenly there was a gap of meditation for 4 to 5 days. But this time I decided that since the time of quarantine is going there, I have decided that I will do meditation in a regular basis. And today is the 50th day of my meditation. In between, I didn't miss a single day of my meditation. And at the end of this 50th day, I am observing that certain things have changed within me. There is certain amount of peace in my mind. And there are some things that I am not able to differentiate yet, but I can observe a bit that something is changed within me. Once I read somewhere that meditation is a seed. When you are planting that seed, after that you have to take care of that seed. You have to water that seed. You have to put fertilizer in it. You have to put it in a place where you can get a good sunshine for that. Similarly, meditation is also like a seed. Once a day you're planted and then you forget about it, it is not going to happen. You have to put your attention on a regular basis. First, suppose you planted it on a first day, then for next 50 days you have to take care of that seed. And once that seed started flourishing, after that you will start getting fruits from that. Meditation is not a certain thing which you can get it within 10 days or 40 days or 50 days. It will take time. There are few sages who given their entire life to do meditation practice. Few of them give 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. And at the end, they got some results, and the results were fascinating. Similarly, my dear friends, meditation is not that thing for us which will get it in 2-3 days. You have to do it with a regular practice. And at certain point of time, you will start observing some changes within you. And the changes are very nice and very fascinating for your life. So please, my dear friends, start doing regular meditation. It is benefiting me. It will also benefit you. Thank you, my dear friends. I will see you in my next video.